खुद जीना सबको जीने दो, खुद जीना सबको जीने दो, मेरे लिए जरूरी सब उधर की का दिल क्या बोले, धक 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 धक, चींटी हो या हाथी हो सब मेरे जीवन साथी हो।
अंबर चिड़िया पानी मछली बातें यही दोहराती हो।
घास फूस या फूल और तितली, जंगल नदियाँ और पर्वत
बोल रहे हैं मिलकर सारे, ओ बोल रहे हैं मिलकर सारे, ये और वो और सब।
धरती का दिल क्या बोले, धक 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 धक। टिक 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 टिक, कसम ये खाए रे, टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे, टिक 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 टिक, कसम ये खाए रे, टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा, ये बहती सी है नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा। कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा, कि कुदरत की हर नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा। ये हम सब मोहताज है, कैसा ये समाज है।
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है,
मौका ये अपना गवाए रे। टिक 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 टिक, कसम ये खाए रे, टिक 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 टिक,
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाएंगे
पाए रे।
Shape of future. Environment is for us. Let's save it. If we deserve the environment, first preserve the environment. Moving ahead to our next performance, here comes the boys of class 9 for their dance performance on the song whose lyrics are Ek Diya Baat.
एक दिया बाती हजारों रोशनी, घुल घुल जाए हवा में रोशनी।
एक दिया बाती हजारों रोशनी, घुल घुल जाए हवा में चाशनी। है सेवा का जुनून क्या छोटा क्या बड़ा, कुछ कर गुजरने का फितूर जब चढ़ा। तूने सिखाया धूप में है छाया, एक सोच है जागी जागी धरती के लिए, एक जोत है जागी जागी प्रकृति के लिए। ओ, हाँ, ओ,
अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा, ये बहती सी है नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
अगर सुन लो जो संभले न हम तो
जाएगा कि कुदरत की हर नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा। प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं, कैसा ये समाज है। प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं, कैसा ये समाज है।
नृत्य आत्मा की भाषा होती है, यह एक शब्दों के बिना संवाद होती है। अब एक और नृत्य प्रदर्शन के लिए मैं कक्षा 9वीं की छात्राओं को आमंत्रित करती हूँ। Here, the moment we have been waiting for. The results are in, the envelope are sealed, and the excitement is evident. So I would request Rachna ma'am to come on the dais for the result declaration of Best Out of Waste and Painting Competition.
Good morning, school. Honorable Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear children. Like every year, I am again before you on this occasion to declare the result for the competition which we had organized after summer vacation. As Khushi in her speech has already said that we celebrate this Environment Day every year on 5th June, but since school observes summer vacation, so we cannot celebrate this on that day. But this program is just for you to make you aware of our responsibilities. You are the future of this earth, and so your contribution means a lot. You all have seen the podium. The theme is written there. This time every year, UNO fixes the theme of Environment Day, and this year soil conservation and resilience towards desertification has been taken as the theme, which means that cutting down of trees has converted fertile lands into desert. Desert does not grow any crop. It is not suitable for the continuation of life. So it is not considered a good place to live in. So it's your responsibility to plant more and more trees, not to allow anyone to cut down trees unnecessarily, and to preserve Earth to make it greener and safer for everyone. Biodiversity is the beauty of this earth, and if we cut down forests, we pollute soil and water. Many animals have already become extinct, many plants have already become extinct, and many more are endangered. So it's our responsibility, it's your responsibility, and together it's our responsibility to take care of it. Now, not taking much time, I'm here with the result. After the reopening of the school, I had assigned topic for the Environment Day celebration, and all the classes from 3 to 9 and 11 participated very actively. You can see the boards, the walls, everything is decorated with the paintings which you have given to us. So I congratulate you all. Again, it is very difficult for me to find out which one is better, but still result is result. So I am announcing. First is Sneha of 11A. Her poster is on that wall. Second is Sanjeevani of Standard 8 and Deepika of Standard 8. And third is Anushka, again of Standard 8. Standard 7 has also participated very actively. Everyone has contributed, everyone has participated. So, special thanks to Standard 7 and its class teacher. Here, I would also feel privileged to congratulate or to extend my thanks to the students who participated in the stage decoration. Behind the scene, Standard 11 and Standard 8 have contributed a lot to decorate this stage. So I, on behalf of our school management, teachers and all staff, forward my heartiest thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. If we have a green planet, we will have a clean future. Our earth is our future. We are the restoration of our generation. Keep nature stay, keep life stay. One earth, one chance to protect our home. Now, to check your attentiveness throughout the celebration and to enlighten you up with knowledge, here is a quiz session by Sneha. A very warm and cheerful good morning to one and all present over here. This is Neha Meshra, Standard 10th B, and I welcome you all in today's quiz session. So my first question goes to Standard 3. When is Environment Day celebrated every year? I repeat the question. When is Environment Day celebrated every year? Passes to next class. Open to all. Yes, the correct answer is 5th June. My next question goes to Standard 4. What is the theme of Environment Day 2024? I repeat the question. What is the theme of Environment Day 2024? Passes to next class? No. Open to all? No, the correct answer is land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. My next question goes to standard 5th. In which year the first Environment Day was celebrated? I repeat my question. In which year the first Environment Day was... No. Passes to next class? No. Open to all? Yes, the correct answer is 1973. My next question goes to standard 6. Which country is the host of Environment Day 2024?
Good morning to all of you. Worthy teachers, office staff, supporting staff, lovely children, future of our country. We have gathered here to celebrate Environment Day. Now children, today how you are feeling today? Just to create the environment. That should be. How to create environment, that is very important. And my appeal to this young youth, that is responsibility on your soldiers. You know, the happiness is a link between man and natural environment is very important. How to save environment? That don't use plastic bottle, polythene and maximum plantation of tree. Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat, Green India, Clean India. So, healthy environment, better environment, your future will be better. Create the safe environment, that is very important. Start from your home, how to create environment, particularly when you are going to market. That should be the passion. If shopkeeper is giving you polythene, just don't take. Start. That is the purpose. What is the purpose of this environment? To celebrate awareness and how to conserve. That is very important. The good and bad quality of our life is depending on the quality of natural environment. Our need, food, water and other depends on the surrounding about us. So how you feel today pleasure to create this environment? That should be. Otherwise, our purpose will be not fulfilled. So save environment, save country for your better future. Don't taking more time, and I congratulate, big applause the children, the wonderful program on the stage. And I also congratulate and thank. You see your the front of this beautiful decoration and just back of the stage. Again, big applause. The children, those who have done. Thank you very much. Without the fine and arts teacher, that is quality. I congratulate all the teachers, those who are behind the screen. My sincere thanks to Mrs. Rachna, that is organized and behind all the teachers and the children to make this Environment Day a great success. Also my thanks to the anchors up to the mark, that very good, excellent. I'm giving you overall program A+ to the power infinity. I am very happy. Also, my congratulations, the children have participated. First, my thanks to the all participants. Participation is very important in your life. If you are to lead in your life, make your leadership quality first come forward. Either don't give your result, but don't take casually. Just should be determination. I have to be. But try, come forward. So my congratulations to all the participants and prize winners. Thanks one and all. Also my thanks to these children and maintain perfect discipline. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai DAV, Jai Ho, Mangalmay ho. Thank you.
पर्यावरण को स्वच्छ बनाना है, प्रदूषण को हटाना है, तभी आएगी हरियाली जब होगी पेड़ पौधों की रखवाली। पर्यावरण है हम सबकी जान, इसलिए रखो इसका ध्यान। चलो इस धरती को रहने योग्य बनाएं, आओ विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस मनाएं। गुड मॉर्निंग ऑनरेबल प्रिंसिपल सर, रेस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। Myself Manya and I Arya from Standard 10 we welcome you all in today's special program of Earth Environment Day. Bright and early, with hopes high and spirit soaring, let us begin this day with an atmosphere of warmth, learning and camaraderie. One of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. The relationship between human beings and the environment is important, and it is necessary that we understand and work to keep it strong.
आने वाली पीढ़ी है प्यारी, तो पर्यावरण बचाना है हमारी जिम्मेदारी। माँ की ममता और पेड़ का दान दोनों करते हैं जन जन का कल्याण। स्वच्छ पर्यावरण, पानी और हवा है जीवन जीने की अनमोल दवा। चलो आज इस जमीन को फिर से जन्नत बनाते हैं, आज हम सब मिलकर पेड़ पौधे लगाते हैं। पेड़ पौधों में बसते भगवान, पर्यावरण रक्षा में करो योगदान और दो सभी जीवों को एक नया जीवन दान। मानव जीवन है खतरे में, इसमें है हम सबकी समझदारी। पेड़ लगाओ और पेड़ बचाओ, पर्यावरण सुरक्षा की लो जिम्मेदारी, पर्यावरण सुरक्षा की लो जिम्मेदारी। तो अब इस पर्यावरण दिवस पर सभी में सकारात्मक ऊर्जा भरने के लिए प्रस्तुत है पर्यावरण पर एक गीत, जिसके बोल हैं आओ बचाए पर्यावरण।
Wow, the song was really mesmerizing. The major problems in the world are the result between the difference between how nature works and the way people think. Thoughts shape our actions. A positive thought can set a constructive tone for the entire day. So now to make our mindset green and clean, I would like to call Amrita for thought.
Greetings everyone, this is Amrita for Standard 10. We are standing in front of you to say thought in this auspicious occasion of World Environment Day. The greatest threat to our planet is belief that someone else will save it. I repeat, the greatest threat to our planet is belief that someone else will save it. This thought means that the belief that someone else will save our planet is a dangerous mindset that leads to inaction and complacency. It allows individuals to absorb themselves of any obligation or effort towards environmental conservation. Thank you.
भाषण बहुत ही जानकारी पूर्ण होता है। यह हमें पर्यावरण पर मानवीय गतिविधियों का प्रभाव, पीढ़ियों के लिए प्रकृति को संरक्षित करने की हमारी सामूहिक जिम्मेदारी के बारे में गहराई से जानकारी प्रदान करता है। तो अब मैं भाषण प्रस्तुति के लिए खुशी शर्मा को आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Preserve and cherish the blue-pale dot, the only home we have ever known. A very fine morning to all of you present over here, the respected principal, sir, supervisory head, teachers and my dear friends. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate the occasion of World Environment Day. It is very true to say that environment is nobody's property to destroy, it's everybody's responsibility to protect. World Environment Day was established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1973. World Environment Day is the largest international event focused on the environment coordinated by the UN government program UNEP. Millions of the people from the government, businesses, civil societies and educational institutions participate annually to raise awareness and take actions on the environmental issues aiming to protect the planet's future. The theme for 2024 is Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience. The slogan of this event will be Our Land, Our Future. We are #Generation Restoration. It emphasizes on the importance of restoring land, combating desertification and enhancing resilience to drought. Currently, up to 40% of the world's land is degraded, impacting around 3.2 billion of the people globally due to desertification. Moreover, projections suggest that by 2050, over 3/4 of the population will be affected by drought. This year's World Environment Day precedes the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification UNCCD COP16, which will be held in December 2024 in United Kingdom. This conference is anticipated to be the largest gathering ever on land and drought. Human-induced environmental damage is escalating with serious consequences such as climate change, ecosystem loss and land desertification. It is our duty as the current generation to protect the environment and restore land and nature to its natural state. We should stop deforestation and grow more and more trees and prevent the land from soil erosion. At the last but not the least, keep the oceans blue, animals safe and the planet green. Raise your voice against pollution. No pollution is only the solution. Let us protect our environment. Go green and save green. Thank you and wishing you a very happy Environment Day.
Thank you, Khushi. Your speech was really informative. Saving the earth requires us doing less and being more. Slow down, be still, let the earth breathe. Let's be like flowers on its soil. Let us be blessed by it. So let's rejoy ourselves with poem recitation. So for poem, I would like to call Supriya of Standard 9.
मिलकर पेड़ लगाते हैं हम अपना मित्र बना, मिलकर पेड़ लगाते हैं हम अपना धर्म निभाते हैं। आओ वृक्ष लगाते हैं, पर्यावरण बचाते हैं। आओ वृक्ष लगाते हैं, पर्यावरण बचाते हैं। देती है सांसें जीवन को, आओ जाने पेड़ की माया। करती है ये शुद्ध हवा को, देती है फल फूल की छाया। आओ हम सबके दिलों में, आओ हम सबके दिलों में प्रकृति प्रेम जगाते हैं। मिलकर पेड़ लगाते हैं हम अपना मित्र बनाते हैं। मिलकर पेड़ लगाते हैं हम अपना धर्म निभाते हैं। आओ मिलकर वृक्ष लगाएं, पर्यावरण को बचाएं। आओ मिलकर वृक्ष लगाएं, पर्यावरण को बचाएं। धन्यवाद।
मानव जाति के लिए ज्ञात सबसे सुंदर अभिव्यंजक कला रूपों में से एक है। यह आपको आप जो कुछ भी चाहते हैं उसे व्यक्त करने की अनुमति प्रदान करता है। तो अब एक मंत्र मुक्त कर देने वाले नृत्य प्रदर्शन के लिए मैं अन्विका और अम्मी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ, जिनके बोल है धक धक धरती।